So today, magluluto tayo ng tinolang manok. Itong ricado natin. Simulan natin sa sibuyas, onions, garlic, and luya. Siyempre, ang ating chicken, ayan. Dahon ng sili. And ito. Hello, magluluto tayo ngayon ng tinolang manok. Pakita mo yung ricado there. Tapos, ayan. And then, first, ang ating gagawin, maglalagay tayo ng small amount of oil. Ito, coconut oil to guys. Kung bibili ako ng coconut oil, oil sa palengke, I make sure na coconut oil siya. So, this is 60 pesos. My God, ito na. Small amount of oil. And, we're just gonna mix it together. Yan. Ito yung own version ko on making tinolang manok. So, ito yung ating main ingredients. We have the luya, the onions, and the garlic. Oh my God, wait lang nga. Ito na. So, syempre, uunahin natin yung bawang. Medyo, bismillah. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi yan tatalsik kasi ano guys, tininaan ko lang yung fire. So, mekos-mekos lang natin. Ganyan. Mekos-mekos lang. Day off ko pala ngayon kaya may time ako mag-luto. So, konting pa-brown eme lang. Diba? Yan. By the way, yung aming tinolang manok ngayon ay merong egg. Kasi kami yung ating tinolang na egg. It is supposed to be a quail eggs, kaso wala ko nakita sa palengke. So, isusunod natin yung onions. Ayan. So, marami talaga ako guys mag-ricado. Kasi, more ingredients, more yummier. Learn, diba? Hey, I'm so thankful today guys because I was able to sleep. Then, after mixing the onions, onions and the garlic, we'll proceed to the luya. Ito yung pampalasa ng tinola guys. So, nalagay ko na siya. Ayan. Then we're gonna mekos-mekos them together in a few bago natin ilagay yung chicken. And after natin i-mekos-mekos yung mga main ingredients, isusunod na natin yung chicken. By the way, guys, ito yung picture kasi ayaw ng mga ibang part ng manok. Especially the feet, I don't like it. The wings, my God, I don't like it. Ngayon, lalagay na natin yung chicken. Yan. We're just gonna mix this together. Mix. Ang purpose nito guys is para matanggal yung lansa ng manok. Yung luya talaga yung magtatanggal ng lansa. Ayan. Kasi ayaw naman natin ng malangsang pagkain, di ba? I-focus mo yung pag-mekos-mekos natin. Ayan, kailangan parang minamarinate siya sa luya, onions, and garlic habang nasa lutuan. So, hayaan mo na natin siyang kung ano dyan. Magmantika yung manok. Ngayon na-mix ko na sila together. Ang art ha. Okay, pose. While waiting for our chicken, kailangan ko muna pala siyang takpan, pangtakip. Kailangan ko muna siyang i-cover, guys. And, while doing that, magbabalat na tayo ng egg kasi papanghalo natin ito later. And since boiling na yung ating tinola, guys, ayan, boiled na, ilalagay na natin yung ating, what is this? Upo? No, it's not upo, it's sayote. So, yan, ilalagay ko na yung sayote. And later on, ito, dahon ng sili and egg. So, yun muna, mapakita mamaya after I cook this. Thank you! And finally, here's our tinola. Ayan, yan, yung ating tinola for today. Ayan na. Kain tayo.